Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to disable the floating keyboard on your iPad. This can be annoying because whenever you need to type, the keyboard appears as a floating window that you can drag around. So how do you turn it off? It's actually very simple. There are two ways to do it. The first way is to use the pinch gesture. If your keyboard is loading, simply pinch outwards on it to return it to a full-size keyboard. To make it float again, you can pinch inwards, and this lets you switch between the available keyboards on your iPad. Alternatively, if you're in a full keyboard mode, you can hold down the keyboard button at the lower right corner and switch it to floating keyboard at once. So if you prefer using buttons, you can switch between the modes this way. However, to return to the full keyboard from the floating keyboard using gestures, you'll have to pinch out because the keyboard button does not offer a way to switch back. Besides the built-in options, you can also explore third-party keyboard apps from the App Store. I recommend checking out Gboard and Microsoft Swift Key. And if you have the option, definitely check them out and you can use the Gboard or other keyboards. But I find this two very useful and popular. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.